Have a look here. It's so nice. Sharing this one for you. Hope you will enjoy this one watching. So I will show you how nice is the place here. So it's so nice, yeah. There they are. So this is the place you can have when you come here. This is the paradise here. So welcome to my paradise. Welcome to the Philippines. Mountains, and then look at the ocean. So the sun is about to rest.
Naglakaw ako sa dalan padulong apo. Nahiwamat ko ang kapre. Ato, daghan ka sa apo na. Daghan ka sa apo. Kapre. Ang ingon niya mag-iting Dugay ko rito tambay katong kapayag.
Oh, labi dito na kada.
Dito nga agi. Isa ka ko rito sa kuwan.
Look at the sky. And then end up see.
Look yung sunset oh.
Mama Ipe.
Ang page ba? Mga kapay kagaling ng kuwan no? Mura. Play po ba?
So enjoy, honey. I love you, hon. That area there is Cebu and Bohol. So we will explore that place soon when you come here. And those islands, you know that one. I already showed you that place before. There's another one there at Canigao. So here's the Philippines that is waiting for you. So be here soon and I will see you soon. I love you, hon.
Choy, kapit ka choy. Kaluoy man eh. Kapit ka choy. Oh. Tugna. Tugna di siya. Tugpo na siya. Tugpo na po.